as we arrive to 7 Points Campground, which is a Army Corps of Engineers campground, which is really nice. We are looking forward to some R&R. It's supposed to rain this whole week that we're here. Thunderstorms. Bummer, but it's a beautiful campground. Daisy's up to her squirrel antics again. And I just saw this really cool mushroom. Look at that. It's so pretty. Don't worry, I'm not gonna eat it. Boy, she sure loves these squirrels. She is so focused. I don't even see it, but she does. He's so cute, Daisy. She just wants to play with him. It's a beautiful day. Really nice campground. Sophie in the woods. It's really great here. We had a little black tank issue yesterday. Our valve has not been working. It's been leaking. So it got to the point where we couldn't do it anymore. It was really, really bad. Called the mechanic and they're all booked up. And they said, hey, it's a real easy job. You can probably do it yourself. So we went to Camping World, bought a $15 part, and now she's fixed. No more black tank problem. What a relief. So that was our dirty job for the day. And then David cooked his amazing chili relleno for me again. And this time we didn't have to jump into a storm shelter as it was finished cooking. I actually got to enjoy it. Tomorrow we're going to see Pink Floyd music by Symphony. That's going to be interesting. Outdoor amphitheater. Hoping the weather holds up. Speaking of the weather, the heavy, humid feeling that you get when you're in humid weather. I'm not accustomed to anymore, but I'm getting accustomed to it. There is something beautiful about it. All this green stuff wouldn't be here without the humidity. So we're just enjoying it. Set her up outside so she can sit and watch the squirrels all day. Geese. Stay here, Daisy. Give the geese some space. We've been here about 5 days and the weather wasn't too bad. We did have some thunderstorms, but overall it was a very relaxing, enjoyable time. And now we're getting ready to leave and head to Mammoth Cave, located in Kentucky.